Hey guys, it is pumpkin spice time. So on today's episode of Cooking by the Book, we are checking out the Great Big Pumpkin Cookbook. It's brand new in our collection, and we're going to make the pumpkin pancakes and the homemade pumpkin spice oat milk latte. Let's get started. For pumpkin pancakes, we will need 1 cup of Libby's 100% pure pumpkin, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or butter melted, 2 eggs lightly beaten, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cups oat flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 1/2 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, and then any fruit, maple syrup, or nut butter you may want for topping your pancakes. We'll start by mixing our wet ingredients. So our egg, vanilla, maple, coconut oil or butter if you're using butter, and our pumpkin together until they are well combined. We'll set that aside while we mix together our dry ingredients, our oat flour, salt, baking soda, and our pumpkin spice. And then we will combine the two. And we're ready to cook our pancakes. So we'll start by heating up our skillet over about medium heat, and we're gonna melt a little bit of coconut oil in there. And once we've got that melted and our skillet warm, we will add our pancake mix in here, 1/4 cup at a time. And then we'll wait till it starts to bubble up around the edges before we flip him over to cook the other side. And our final pancake is ready to serve. For homemade pumpkin spice oat milk latte, we will need 8 ounces of brewed coffee, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin puree, 3 tablespoons of oat milk, and a sprinkle of homemade pumpkin spice for topping. To make our latte, we'll just blend our coffee, pumpkin, and milk together in a high-speed blender. And then we can pour it into our mug. And just sprinkle it with our pumpkin spice. And we're ready to enjoy. We hope you enjoyed today's episode of Cooking by the Book. It's breakfast time now, and we will see you next time.